uAdvocate Mpofu uthi badinga usizo lwaleli komiti ukuphoqa ofakazi abangafuni ukuvela ngaphambi kwalesicawu. Uthi sebethumele izincwadi kungqongqoshe uPravin Gordhan, usotswebhu weDA uNatasha Mazoni kanye nowabengumvikeli womphakathi uAdvocate Thuli Madonsela. Umpofu bese faka isicelo sokushenxisa abaholi bofakazi.
If the evidence leaders remain in place, it's impossible for her to receive the promised fairness that's promised in the rule and in the Constitution. And yours is also as a committee now to live up to the obligation and the injunction that the committee must ensure the inquiry is conducted in a reasonable and procedurally fair manner within a reasonable time frame.
Umpofu uthi amaphutha enziwa abaholi bofakazi ngesikhathi benza izethulo mayelana nesamba semali esesikhokhelwe abammeli bakaMkhwebane akhombisa kona ukuthi abukho obulungiswa kulesicawu.
So that's the gist, chairperson, of the conduct, which clearly has caused a public outcry, rightly so, but is associated with things that this committee should not be associated with: racism, malice, improper conduct, unprofessional conduct, the perpetuating of stereotypes, the predictable prejudicing people's rights.
Lesiccawu siyaqhubeka.
Is that